recording for this.
One guy thought it'd be fun to take his boss's car for a spin. Everything was going great until flames started shooting out of the engine. Luckily, the shop owner next door rushed over with a fire extinguisher just in time.
E aí, cara, o cara ficou feliz, o dono, quando chegar? Oh, man! Be careful, be careful. Vai, arrumou emprego em Miami Beach.
Miami Beach Lamborghini. Wow, what happened here? A Ferrari crashed?
Straight to a barbershop.
Did anyone get hurt? Oh, jeez. Wow, that's pretty major.
Sorry, my friend is under a traumatic situation right now, so would you please stop taking photos?
Oh, okay. Well, I'm not taking pictures of her, I'm taking pictures of the car.
Why do you
use your phone while driving?
They had a call.
But you had a call, but porco Dio.
Miren lo que ha pasado.
This Jaguar, worth about 250,000 euros, and one of only 240 in the world, met an unfortunate end. A driver, distracted by her phone, swerved into oncoming traffic and caused quite a mess.
Y miren lo que ha pasado ahora en este Jaguar.
These sports cars were smuggled into the Philippines, and the government sent a clear message by destroying them. It's a stark warning to criminals involved in illegal trade.